YouTube is one of the best places to learn AI, no matter where you are in your journey. Even if you're a beginner or you are looking to dive deeper, the right channel can make all the difference. So in this video, I'm going to share the 5 best YouTube channels that can take your AI skills to the very next level. And if you stick around till the end, there's a bonus tip which will make you learn AI even faster. Hi, my name is Ryan and I'm an AI engineering student and I create content about AI. So let's get started. First up, Andre Karpathy, a co-founder of OpenAI and a former Tesla AI director, and one of the top minds in deep learning. His channel is packed with in-depth lectures on neural networks, transformers, and large language models. So if you're someone who truly want to understand AI, this is the channel to start with. But AI isn't just about coding, it's built on math. That's where 3 blue, 1 brown comes in. His animations make complex topics like linear algebra and calculus really easy to understand, helping you grasp the mathematical foundation behind AI. Once you've got the fundamentals down, it's time to expand your perspective. Lex Fridman interviews the biggest names in AI, including Elon Musk and Jeffrey Hinton, aka the godfather of AI. His conversations dive deep into the future of AI, its impact on society, and the minds shaping it. If you're struggling with statistics and machine learning concepts, StatQuest with Josh Stormer makes them easy. His simple, engaging explanations break down complex topics like decision trees, regression, and much more in a way that actually makes sense. And finally, Jeremy Howard's Fast.ai is all about hands-on learning. If you want practical AI skills, this is a channel to follow. Now here's the bonus tip. Don't just watch, pick a channel from the list, follow their tutorials, and start building projects as you go. And if you want to learn even faster, join AI communities like Reddit, Discord, or Twitter to discuss what you're learning. And if you want to stay updated with everything that has been going on in this AI world, subscribe me for more videos.